Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and without wasting much of your time, I'm going to look at how to change your ads account currency, how to create ad accounts. And this is just coming up because so many questions are still being asked about Facebook ad account. So I'm going to just pick the step by step. I'm going to take it step by step. Now, the first thing you should know is that the following procedures, the following steps are very, very important. Facebook account is the first important tool that you should know. And for you to create Facebook account, just come to your browser, connect to the internet, and just type facebook.com. Just go to facebook.com. Now, if you go, because I've already created my account, so it's going to take me to my account page. This is my account on Facebook. Okay, now with your account you can do so many things. You can actually access the pages, you can access your groups, you can do so many functionalities. But for you to start marketing, you need to create Facebook page. Now, page is for your marketing, and for you to do that, you just need to come to create here and select page and start follow the requirement. Just follow the steps. I've done videos on that. I'm going to put the link in the description so that you can actually watch and get that done. Now, the content is this, or the strategy is this. Your page is your marketing tool. Your page, let me repeat that again. Your page is your marketing tool. So you use your page to run your ads. You run your ads on your page. You run your ads, you run your advert, paid ads, you leveraging using your page. You grow your lead generation using your page. You create your store, you put in your products, your shops, your so many tools that you can use with your page. Then you majorly make use of the page. Now, if you have created a page, you can actually go to your page by just picking the username. You must have used a username for your page. Now, my own username is facebook.com/Mojeed Fetuga marketing solution, and this is the page. Now, the page is different from the account. The page is different from the account, and on your page, especially the way you have set it up, you have your post, you have your shop, you have so many tools that you have set up. Probably you must have chosen some templates. There are in the video, in the description, I've put in some videos that will help you set up your Facebook page. And of course, you have your publishing tools where you can actually see your lead generation tool, your video editing to your post tools. So you'll be able to see the reach of each post and the events on each post for that post. And for the videos, you'll be able to see the videos and the number of views on it. Okay, and other tools, we have creator studio, where you can actually use this to create your content. You have jobs, you have branded content, you have leads. Now, on your leads, you'll be able to see those who opt into your content, how many are they, and you'll be able to download the leads in order to remarket and follow up those who showed interest. Now, having understood some of the basic things your page will do for you, now for you to run your marketing on Facebook using your Facebook page, you must first of all create a Facebook ads account. So now this next thing is that you've gotten your Facebook account, you've created your page, you've optimized your page. You now need to create Facebook ad accounts. Now, there are 2 or 3 ways to do that. Let me just come to my Facebook okay, my basic Facebook, you can come here under this create, where you see create, where you will see your page. You can use it to create your page. You can use it to create your ad account. This is where you create your ad account. Of course, this is where you create group and events. These, any of the tools, this is where you create it. But by default, once you have an account, Facebook automatically creates for you an ad account. By default, let me repeat it again. By default, once you have your account, Facebook automatically creates for you an ad account. Now, one of the things you'll be having is that you may not be able to access this ad account unless you actually fund it. And that's why if you've created your account and you've created a page, some of the posts on your page, Facebook will be telling you that you can promote it, you can boost it, because you can't boost it. They will ask you to pay money. You can't boost it except you have an ad account, which Facebook had automatically created for you once you have a Facebook account. Now, but if you want to really understand how the Facebook ads account works, instead of coming to facebook.com, okay, where you will go is business.facebook.com. That is where you will go. So instead of, if you really want to see the picture of these ad accounts, the next thing is, the best step is you go to business.facebook.com. Now, what you are going to see when you get to your business.facebook.com is your Facebook business manager. Now, Facebook business manager helps you to organize your ad accounts, not just ad accounts, your pages, your events, your applications. Let me just show you. So in my own case, I have more than one business manager account. I have more than one. I have different business manager accounts to manage different business resources and companies, because it's a marketing agency and we actually work with other firms, helping them get their results digitally. Okay, now let me use this ad manager. So I clicked on this business manager, and on this business manager I can actually add more pages. I can even create page, and I can add more accounts, and I can even create more ad accounts. Okay, now let me explain that. If you now go to the settings, you will see other things that you can actually add within the business manager. So when you are talking about business manager, you are not just talking about just the Facebook alone. You have other tools like the pages on Facebook, pages that you have created, the other accounts that you have created, the business assets groups. There are different assets, probably pages, probably apps, and what have you. You can bring them and turn them into an asset, and you manage it together. Of course, if you actually build applications also, you can run your campaign and you can do your monetization on this. You also have Instagram accounts. So there are so many other, of course, you also have data sources where you have your Facebook pixel. You can create Facebook pixel, you can create, set up your custom conversion, you can set up events and what have you. And definitely you can brand some, brand some of the tools, just like your domain link, the URL, and of course you can block some lists, and you see, of course you can also do some integrations through lead access. So there are several tools under this business manager account that Facebook manages. So how do you now go about it? if you want to create a business manager account, all you need to do is go to business.facebook.com. Please note, if you go to business.facebook.com, Facebook is going to access your Facebook account to create a business manager account for you. So this business manager account is still a tool under this same Facebook account. So but the business manager account can do so many other functionalities beyond just running your page or managing your page. And that is why on the business manager account there are different tools and there are different data sources, functionalities and integrations, payments, and there are several tools underneath this that you can actually set and optimize for your maximum goal and conversion. So how do you then go about creating your business.facebook.com? How do you go about creating your business manager account? Just from your account, go to business.facebook.com. The first page you are going to see, you just need to set it up. You are just going to sign up. It's basically like just log in, because it's going to be using your normal Facebook account and it's going to be accessing your normal Facebook account as a root login, if it makes sense. So what are those things you can do? One of it is that you can create more pages, you can add more pages, and in this tutorial we are just going to look at how do we add more ad accounts. Now for this business manager account, okay, I actually created it in order to explain how to add accounts or create accounts. So if I want to add accounts, I can just click on this and I can just click on create new ad account. Now what is the implication? The implication is for you to create new ad accounts, your ad accounts, you can create unlimited ad accounts. That is the first thing I would like to say. Ad accounts, so you can create unlimited ad accounts. So that is one of the functions of the business manager, to organize it. So, and of course your ad accounts can be managed by so many other people. You can allow people to manage your ad accounts, and it is your ad account that you fund your ad account. So you funding the ad account is one of the things that makes ad accounts unique. Once you fund your ad account, you can then run your campaign on your Facebook page, on your Instagram page. You can run your campaign onto your WhatsApp. You can run your campaign onto your applications and what have you. So the thing you fund, the tool that you fund is your ad account. Now it is important that if you should select a different, okay, the rule is that you cannot change your ad account currency. So you cannot change your ad account currency, meaning that if you should create an ad account for dollar, you cannot change it. You cannot say I want to now create another ad account for naira or for euro or for pounds, okay, and you will now say let me go and change it. You would either or rather create another ad account. That's just the implication. So you would rather create another ad account. Then if your ad account is not managed, is not used for a given time, probably 90 days, Facebook can just disable it, so it's not active. Ad accounts are sources of income for Facebook, and these are the only way Facebook will earn. And one other thing I should mention here is that for now Naira account, I don't know of any other account, but Naira account, once you fund it, the money cannot be retrieved. Once funded, the money cannot be retrieved. Oh, retrieved. Okay, so the money cannot be retrieved once it is funded. So it means that if you really want to do this, if you really want to be working on your Naira or your ad account, you will not put into your ad account beyond what you can actually manage for your campaign. You need to work or budget it as a month. For this month, how much am I running my campaign? I want to be funding my account or my ad account probably per week, so that in a week, because another condition, let me mention another condition here. This is very, very important to note. If your account, if your ad account is if your ad account is blocked, disabled, or or any other, or etc, let me just say etc, you cannot retrieve your fund. So you cannot also retrieve your funds, and that's another point you should know. So in this case, here you just need to give the ad account a name. Testing, you can give it any name, don't worry about that. And of course, you select your time zone. Now it is important that you should know that we are in Nigeria here. Events that is going on all over the world, there is probably what's it called, we have different time zones. Okay, so if somebody is buying your product 3 hours ahead of your own time zone, the report will be shown on your own account on your own time zone. Not I don't know if it makes sense. So if somebody is buying something or somebody is engaging on your account in another country, you would always receive that information as it's on your own current time zone, as it should be current, not the time. If the difference between Nigeria and Dubai is 2 hours, okay, and an event is happening, okay, 2 hours ahead of my own time, I will receive it once it is 2 hours of my own time go when the timing actually tallies. That is when I'm going to receive it. So my time zone is going to be used, not the time zone for me to receive the data, for me to receive the result of events as it occurs. It's going to be my own time zone that will be used to give me the report, not the time zone of that event, wherever the event occurs. So I'll be able to now be able to see, and I'll be able to understand with my own time zone, using my own time zone as a yardstick, as a guide. I'll be able to say, okay, within 3 hours of this campaign, it has done this so objective and has achieved so conversion. And this is one of the reasons why the time zone must be your own time zone location, time zone. So that is just the essence. So if you are in Nigeria, and probably in Nigeria that is plus one, or it should be plus one. Africa, our own time zone is plus one. There is Lagos here now. Let me look for Nigeria here. So I'm choosing the currency and I'm choosing Naira, and I'm going to select the time zone. I'm looking for West Africa's time zone. Wow. So as soon as Africa, let me Google it. Lagos time zone. Okay, West Standard Time. West Africa Standard Time. So it's going to be somewhere here. Yes, this is it. Yes, Africa, Lagos. Now, this the time zone that I'm going to select, and what I'm going to do is just to click next. If I should click next, this will create this ad account. Marketing clients. So it's going to create this ad account, and I can say I want to use it for my business, which is this manager, and I want to use it for clients or thereabouts. So if I'm using it for this, it's going to create immediately. Mean that I'm using it under my business. I'm going to assign that ad account under this business manager. That's what I want to do. So if you click my business, meaning that you are adding it to this business manager, it's going to create immediately. But if you are selecting another client, so you can now select a partner, or if you are creating another account and you want to assign that ad account to another third party business manager ID. So this is where you just select. Or if you have an existing partner that probably you are working as a big firm and you really want to create another account, join with the main team so that everybody can have access to it. So then if you now say, okay, this is where you just put in their ID and it's going to be approved by the third party. But then if you are using it within your own ad account, you just select this and you select create. And once you create this, the account will be created. So the account will be created, and once the account is created, you can just select who manages this account and give that person the authority to manage all this, manage the campaign, manage everything, manage the performance, and you just say assign. So this ad account has been created, and that account will be in my new business, this agency account. That is where this business manager account, that is where the ad account will be available. So I can actually start funding it. There's another video I've done on funding your ad account, so I'm going to put the link in the description. If there's any question, you are free to just put in the comments, and I wish you all the best.